We provide our tenants with 24/7 maintenance service, which starts with walking tenants through simple fixes, such as hitting the reset button on a garbage disposal or changing the batteries on the AC thermostat. If maintenance is truly needed, our maintenance team will send out the appropriate technician who will be licensed, bonded, and insured as needed for their field. Real Property Management West San Fernando Valley also works with the property's home warranty service or the owner's preferred vendors when applicable. Have you ever heard of upcharging, where a management company will add on a percentage to the vendor invoice? We don't believe in that. We don't upcharge. Repairs over $250 will require owner approval prior to the work being done. Real Property Management West San Fernando Valley requires all maintenance requests be in writing for our excellent record keeping. So we've created an online portal on our website that makes it quick and easy for tenants to place their maintenance requests. Tenants who need to call our 24/7 hotline can rest assured that their request will be put in writing by the maintenance team. And for owners, we'll provide you full details of all work orders in your end-of-month report.